We are often asked, what is the single most important thing in hiring a new employee? The answer is quick and direct: the right match between the person and the job at hand. When we talk about matching a candidate to the job at hand, what we really mean is finding those who are already outstanding performers in that job and assessing them, breaking down their traits and attributes into digestible parts, understanding the DNA of their success, and then finding others who match those qualities. The formula is simple, but often overlooked. Regardless of the job, the most successful people doing that job tend to have the same attributes. And if we knew what those traits were and hired people with similar traits, our chances of a successful hire skyrocket. Our whole person assessments focus on creating a benchmark based on the top performers in your organization by understanding their interest, their behavior, and their thinking style or cognitive process. And are those three areas equal in helping us predict future success? Absolutely not. A recent study has shown that cognitive process, how we think, process, digest, and absorb information, is 3 times as predictive for success on the job than past work experience. To put it simply, the #1 salesperson at a major feed and grain supplier would most likely not be the top salesperson at an aerospace technology company, and vice versa. When we say thinking style, we mean things like verbal reasoning and skill, numeric reasoning and skill, and learning index, which is a measure of speed of processing, not a measure of smart. And all are measured on a scale of 1 to 10. When we talk about behaviors, we mean things like assertiveness, energy, independence, manageability, decisiveness, and more, again on a scale of 1 to 10. So let's illustrate this with a real-world recent assessment. We measured a 16-person sales staff and realized that the top 3 performers all clustered right around here in all measures of cognitive process or thinking style. The lower performers generally scored in this area. Many areas of behavior were similar between top performers and the others, in areas like energy, objective judgment, manageability, sociability, and attitude. As a matter of fact, we noticed that the salespeople who ranked numbers 12, 13, and 14 each matched the top performers on 6 out of 9 areas of behavior, but they matched none of the thinking style traits of the top performers. There is not always that dramatic of a difference, but this benchmark truly helped the company see that in hiring, they had heavily relied on how a person's personality, resume, and experience seemed to be in line with everyone else. And to this point, they had overlooked evaluating how their top performers mentally process information and match new hires to that. We are here to help you create a benchmark of success and then measure those already on staff and those you might someday hire, and make sure that they not only have the experience and personality, but the mental horsepower to succeed at the job. To learn more about how this can work for you, give us a call or find us on the web. We look forward to working with you.